Good morning. So today has been
hectic day.
Yeah, hectic. So we're supposed to be going to Hue today, but we were gonna drive the scooter, but the scooter, they said that my suitcase wouldn't be comfortable and it's like a 3-hour drive away.
Yeah, it's too big.
Yeah, so it won't be comfortable to drive 3 hours with the bag. So then we asked if we could get Grab to Hue.
It's really far.
And the guy's like, I don't have my car insured or whatever.
Papers, his car's not registered or something like that, so he couldn't drive us.
Yeah. So then now we're heading over to Da Nang we got a different hotel.
Yeah, we had to rent a different hotel for
and
today.
then hopefully we're gonna take a train tomorrow to
Or a bus or something.
But it's been really hectic.
Yeah, because we already have a hotel in Hue that we need to show up to, but we haven't because we can't get there.
Yeah.
So we're hoping that works out and everything works out tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we arrived in Da Nang, we made it. So now we're gonna go to our hotel, but we booked just in case. But we also found train tickets to go to where we need to go.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to get our train arranged. Maybe we don't even need the hotel. For now.
We're a waste of $30, but
Yeah, but you know, either way, we have somewhere to sleep, which is good. And hopefully we arrive at our destination. If not, we can do it tomorrow.
So we leave the train, we board the train at 6:45. We have bunk beds. That's the only way that we can stay there.
Yeah.
Sounds interesting.
It's like a 3-hour ride. Yeah, we'll see. See what happens.
We will see.
See you at the hotel. Room tour.
Knock knock.
Hi.
Hi, this is the ugly room.
Show us your humble abode, Sharu.
It's very ugly.
So,
This is it. That's all, folks.
And it has this.
Ugly orange, the brown here, and the brown here, and the brown. Just doesn't work. It's very hideous.
This big bed. These weird lights.
And this is the bathroom.
We just found a hook of hair everywhere, which is fun.
It wasn't mine, because I was never in the bathroom.
Unless it has a tub that was all full of hair, it's fun.
But yeah, that's
This is our mirror.
And where are we, Jade?
Sun River, something Da Nang. Welcome to Da Nang. You can't wait to leave.
No, I can't. This room's great. Jade chose that. So here we've arrived to the restaurant that Jade chose. Lemon Hello. Well, that didn't work out, so there's some power outage and they said not open. That was his only idea.
That and the waterfront place.
Where's that?
Back where we just walked.
What a silly goat. Jade found another restaurant
This
called
was my fallback.
the Waterfront Restaurant.
Come to Da Nang, come check it out.
Yeah, it is very hot. But it's cute. And then there's the ocean. So, powers out, elevators don't work. Ow.
So I to watch out. There's no AC. We have to walk 5 flights of stairs to our room. And apparently our card might not work. Which means we have to go back down. If it doesn't.
We're on the 5th floor.
Oh, what a happy surprise.
So here we are leaving the Sun River Hotel.
Yeah?
And gonna go catch the train.
Hopefully.
Yeah. So they have to check our room and then we're able to go. We just took a little nap because we don't know how the train is. So yeah, then we're on our way to the train.
Choo choo.
Choo choo. So here we are boarding the train. Tell them what just happened.
Well, as we were going to get out of our Grab, this freaking, literally, like, it's like from here to here, it's tell we're at the train station. So I open my door and a guy tries to drive through on his scooter as I open my door and I hit him and knock him over. And he's looking at me like he's all mad at me and I'm like, well, why would you, like, it's like, look, I'm in the station. Like, obviously the car's pulled over because we're getting out. Anyways, he was okay, everyone was okay, whatever. So, this is our room. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, little child. I can't even stand before hitting the wall here, but this is Sharon's room. Look. You wanted the top bunk? This is my bunk. These are our neighbors. And this is our little cute room. Yeah. Enjoy the next 4 hours.
Here we are, all cozy up in our
Cozy homes. Oh, okay.
cozy home.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, looks like we have guests.
And we keep having the door open because people are gonna come join us. The guy just came by with some Saigon beer. Jade is being a ninja. He's gonna go lay way up here.
No, let's go.
But we have some beer now. This good.
It rocks so much here. I feel emotions.
It does, yeah, it does rock a lot. But apparently we just passed the Van High Pass.
Hi, Ben.
High Van
We're
Pass.
around there, yeah.
Yeah, so. Yay, cheers! So here we are, going to show you inside of the train.
We're looking for some beverages and food.
Looking for some beer. It's very dark outside, you can see anything. That's the thingy. You should go in front of me.
I can't, so where am I going to go around going?
So we just got in our car.
Yeah, it's a taxi.
It's a taxi actually. So we never take a taxi, but there's no Grab here, Grab car. So
Only Grab bikes, yeah.
Yeah. But we're heading to our hotel now.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Look at that.
So here we are at our next hotel. Looks very nice. We just got dropped off by our taxi. So let's walk in. Little mini bar over there. And Jade. So here we are coming up to our room. We're number 504 again. So we just had 304. Last was 504. And this one's 504. What's with the lock? Well, here we go.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome.
Ooh, it's nice and air conditioned already.
Yes.
I see some pretty robes. They feel like towel. And
Oh, this is the main room.
wow.
The first time you noticed?
2 beds.
Uh-oh.
Why?
I don't know.
Jade, you messed up.
Yeah.
Big time.
Yeah, and it's not even like we could push them together or anything. I don't know. They're big, solid beds, so.
Sad.
Okay, but we got a little painting here, some little paintings here. Our own little thing going on here.
Long table.
Our own drum.
A banana.
Our own patio.
Very cool. I think you can see a club over there.
Something like that.
It's like a club.
Yeah, that's it. It's pretty nice. It's nicer than the last place we're in, that's for sure.
What about the bathroom? Is there a bathroom here?
Oh, oops, yeah.
Can
Yeah, I
Shireen
can
go
see that.
pee?
Sure. Well, welcome to the washroom.
That's,
You see, we have a toilet, and that's it.
they have a really long thing, but only one sink.
Yeah, strange, right?
Why now put two?
Come in more. Yeah, you have two beds. Why don't you have two sinks?
What's behind this?
This is the longest shower in the world. Look, it fits one Jade, two, 3, 4, 5.
And then if you do it the opposite way as well.
Yeah,
6.
But like,
Huge,
it's very.
6.
Look, this though. Okay, I barely fit.
But it's very long. Like, why not put a tub here? But no.
Yeah, like this could totally be a tub. This could be a shower. It could be a jacuzzi. Interesting.
Interesting. I don't like the 2 beds. I don't like this. I don't like that.
It's a little oddly designed. I'll say that much. So far, it
Do you
seems
wave at
nice.
yourself in the mirror?
Yes. So,
We all seen it.
I got one other thing to tell you that we didn't know until we arrived here right now.
What's that?
It is a practical training center of the Hue Tourism College. So people actually here are students in college practicing and learning hospitality.
Oh, and it's a cooking class.
So they cook and they basically they're getting their degrees and stuff. And they're practicing on us. Sure. Okay.
Okay, cool. We will be Master Chef judges.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.